Hello everyone! Love muffins? Pick yummy decadent blueberry muffins with me. Start by preheating kadhai as per instructions given on the screen. Take half a cup of milk. Add 1 teaspoon vinegar. Mix well and keep aside. Take 1/4 cup softened butter. Add half a cup of powdered sugar. Whisk until well combined. Add half a teaspoon vanilla essence. Give a quick mix. Take 1 cup all-purpose flour in a separate bowl. Add half a teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, a pinch of salt. Mix everything nicely. Add the prepared dry ingredients to the sugar butter mixture. Mix it gently. Milk has curdled, so buttermilk for our muffins is ready. Add the buttermilk gradually. Mix gently with the help of a whisk or a spatula. Use only required amount of buttermilk to prepare batter. You might not need all the half cup of it. Add 2 tablespoons dried blueberries. Use fresh ones if available. Fold in gently. Grease small bowls with oil or butter. Add a teaspoon of flour and coat the bowls as shown. Fill only 3/4 of the bowl with prepared muffin batter as the muffins will rise once baked. Top with some more blueberries. Fill all the bowls similarly. Meanwhile, quickly subscribe to my channel Delicacies&DiY and turn on the notification bell. Select all so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Place a plate carefully in the preheated kadhai. Keep the bowl. Cover with the lid and bake on low heat for 30 to 40 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean. Check out the description box for instructions on baking these yummy muffins in oven. Unmold once cooled completely. These blueberry muffins turn out so soft, moist and delicious, you would want to make them again and again. Grab your cup of coffee or tea and enjoy these super tasty blueberry muffins.